This is the auto-vox upgraded D5PRO dual dash cam, and it's currently on the market for around £75 here in the UK and $99 in the US. So for that price range, is it really worth it? Stay tuned and I'll certainly let you know. So in the box, once opened, you're going to find the multilingual user manuals on top and then the main device. Under that, you have the box full of everything you need to get started. You've got the rear camera and connection cable, the car power cable, an alternative bracket, and then the main device recording stand. And that's pretty much it. So I'll quickly show you around the device so you get an idea of the exterior. This is obviously the main hub of the interface, so everything is connected into this. On the right side, you've got the micro USB connection and the power button. Below that is the microphone. On the left side, you've got the micro SD card port and then the back camera video in port. So maybe it would have been wise to have both cable imports on one side, so keeping a tidy look would be much easier. So I'll jump straight into the install to speed this review up a little. It's very simple to install, I won't lie. First of all, you're going to want to connect the main camera bracket to the device. This just simply slides on. Once done, peel back the adhesive protection and stick it onto a clean windshield. You'll be surprised at how well this adheres to your windshield. That 3M tape does its job well. You can alter the tilt by simply unscrewing the bolt a little and tilting it up and down to the preferred position. I then go ahead and install your reversing camera. You have two options for this installation. If you want, you can install straight underneath your number plate. It requires no screwing into your car bodywork. All you have to do is unscrew your number plate, position the camera so that it's above, and then adhere it to your bodywork. Then obviously screw back on the number plate, and then that's pretty much it. You're ready to go. The alternative option, and probably the much easier one, is to adhere it into the interior windshield. And then just once again simply run the cable through. Once you've done all this, connect up your power and insert a micro SD card. The device will boot up and instantly begin recording from both front and back cameras simultaneously. At the front, we have a video capture of 2688 by 1020 pixels at 30 frames per second. Now in terms of those specs, that's not that bad for a device in this price range. However, we are only recording 720p at the back. As you can see, it's not that good. That back footage is somewhat pixelated and really isn't the best, but you can make out most number plates, so that's obviously the most important thing. Now that front camera on the other hand is gorgeous. It's crystal clear and clarity is what you'd expect from a device with these promises. You can make out individual aspects of cars. It's that good. With a 140-degree recording radius, you can certainly pick up a full amount of action. So in relation to the cameras on the front one's fine. It's the back one which is beyond pitiful. You could replace that camera with something better, as the plug is very much universal. It's just a shame the quality isn't available out of the box. The display on the device will show you both your front camera and your rear in a smaller window. You can cycle through the viewing options to allow for you to choose what you think would work best. In the menu option, you have access to photo taking, media playback, and then obviously the settings. In the settings, you have a large range of features to play with, like sensor and collision sensitivity. So if you are knocked or involved in an unfortunate accident, it will instantly begin recording. You can even set this up so when you're leaving your car, any detection of motion will begin recording the same way. I think for the price, you can't go wrong. That front camera is gorgeous, and the features on board allow for customization of how you want to capture your journeys. The back camera is a letdown, I won't lie, but nevertheless it's good enough for general use and never fails to collect vital material. I'll link the product in the description, check it out and let me know what you think. Till next time.